What is going on? It is your man with the plan, Rolling Coins here, and today, well, as you can see, we got a little bit different setup here for you. So I haven't uploaded in a while. I know. As some of you may know, my profession, my job that I do is I pick groceries for customers that shop through our grocery store here in my town. So I do that for a living, as well as YouTube. My apologies, I have been slacking quite a bit here, just with the ever-growing business of online shopping and stuff. It's been pretty hard, you know, to keep up with things. I also got a new puppy last year, so he's ever-growing as well. Pain in the butt, but part of life. And yeah, so about the whole, where is the channel going? Where do we see the channel going? So I've given it a lot of thought, and you know, it is quite difficult now. So prior to Facebook changing their policies and stuff, I was able to sell and buy coins on Facebook. But I think it was I want to say last July, they changed their terms and services. So now nobody can buy or sell fake or real currency on Facebook. So any post with the words coin in it, any pictures that, you know, relate to coins are pretty much off limits on Facebook now. So that's pretty unfortunate. And yeah, so kind of leaves slim pickings. Kijiji's alright for buying coins, but you know, people take forever to respond, and just in general, selling coins is a pain in the ass, frankly, on Kijiji. So that's been the one struggle. I know there is coin dealers and online, but you know, I honestly haven't the time to build my collection. Hopefully I can in the future. But I will be starting probably a new series this spring in the coming weeks. I'm going to be focusing more on mountain biking. So I did buy a new bike last year. It's a GT Aggressor Pro, or a GT Aggressor Expert, Canadian version of the Aggressor Pro from America. But it does have some better specs on it, like hydraulic disc brakes and all that stuff. So I'll probably do an in-depth video on that bike here shortly. As well as my gear and some areas I'll be riding locally. And with my new GoPro here, hopefully I can bring you guys along the ride with me. It'll be pretty epic. We can explore some trails. I know in my area, Dufferin County has some pretty good trails, as well as Monocliff is a pretty popular spot. So you guys will get a good preview of that. Maybe ride some old rail trails and all that stuff, and probably even do some reviews of products for mountain biking and that stuff in general. Other than that, guys, that's just an update on the channel. I really do appreciate everybody's viewing the channel, supporting it. I know we just passed 400 subscribers, so only 600 and away till 1,000, and guys, will be going up there from that point onward. So goal 500 and then 1,000. I think I did say in a previous video I was going to do a giveaway at 500. That probably still stands. So we'll go from there. We'll go 500, and maybe at 1,000 we'll do a silver giveaway or something. For the 500, we'll probably just do like an uncirculated penny or something, just something small, just to keep costs low. Other than that, though, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Rolling Coins, signing off.